Math Workshop friends. Today I was thinking we could have a conversation about something a little more serious. It's a pretty important topic, so let's just go ahead and sort of like dive into this pretty serious topic. And the topic today is birthdays! Hooray! Surprise! Super fun, not so serious, but very important. Something I remember hearing a lot when I was growing up from my mom. She would say, "Is this a decade birthday?" What's a decade birthday? So to answer that question, first we need to understand what the word decade means. And to know what the word decade means, we need to know what D-E-C-A, the prefix deca, means. And when I tell you that, maybe you can figure it out. If I told you the prefix deca means 10, can you figure out what a decade birthday is? I'll give you a clue. I'm gonna go ahead and open these candles. So when I was, let's say, 6 or 7 or 8, and I kept hearing this term decade birthday, I had not had a decade birthday yet. All right, so let's go back in time. Pretend you're Mrs. McIntyre. Okay. Happy first birthday. Happy second birthday. I'm going to show you what a decade birthday cake would look like, the number of candles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On your very first decade birthday, you would be turning 10 years old because deca means 10. Decade is 10 years. If you are a fan of the Olympics, have you ever heard of the event a decathlon? Guess how many events are in a decathlon? Did you say 10? Then you're correct because deca means 10. All right, guys. I had a decade birthday back in March. It was my 4th decade birthday. Ta-da! So how old did I turn? Deca means 10. I've had 4 decade birthdays. So in March, I turned 40. Hooray! So fun. What I thought we could do today is explore the word decagon. Have you heard words like polygon? Yeah, from a perfection math video. Have you heard words like octagon, pentagon, heptagon, hexagon, nonagon? Today we're going to explore decagon. How many sides do you think a decagon has? 10, right? Because we know that deca means 10, obviously. Can we use birthday candles to build a decagon? So how many birthday candles do I need? 10. All right, you're like, we got it. We get it, Mrs. McIntyre. Okay, before we build our decagon, first we need to make sure that we have exactly 10 birthday candles. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So I've got 2 groups of 5, so I have 10. Let's build a decagon. Closed 10-sided polygon, which means it is a decagon. Can I build some other decagons that maybe look a little different, a little more interesting, a little more exciting? Let's find out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decagon. Before we build our final decagon, let me ask you a question. With polygons, do all sides have to be the exact same length? Well, the answer is no. So what we can do for this one is I'm gonna try to cut some of the candles and then I'll build a polygon using candles of different lengths. One group, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only have 9. Let's cut this one in half. Okay, that 9th one's been cut in half.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hooray! Let's build a decagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decagon! Okay, friends, here is your task today. On the Hanging with Mrs. Mac paper, go ahead and put your name on it. The main idea is decagon. You are going to write a definition. The definition is a 10-sided polygon. In the task section, you will go into the box that's at your station.
It's a box of flat toothpicks.
I want you to count out how many toothpicks you will need to build your own decagon. Remember, all the toothpicks have to be touching so your shape is closed. And because it's a decagon, you need to make sure you have the correct number of sides. When you're done, because it's wet with glue, let's go ahead. You can leave it on the counter by the sink to dry. I'll collect them later once they're dry, okay? And let me know, have you celebrated a decade birthday yet? Are you getting ready to celebrate a decade birthday? Come tell me, let's chat. Bye, friends.